HTTP requests and JSON parsing in Python. I want to dynamically query Google Maps through the Google Directions API. As an example, this request calculates the route from Chicago, Illinois to Los Angeles, California via 2 waypoints in Joplin, Missouri and Oklahoma City, OK. This URL. It returns a result in the JSON format. How can I do this in Python? I want to send such a request, receive the result and parse it.
I recommend using the awesome requests library. Json response content, this URL.
Use the requests library, print the results so you can better locate the keys/values you want to extract, and then use nested for loops to parse the data. In the example I extract step-by-step driving directions.
The requests Python module takes care of both retrieving JSON data and decoding it, due to its built-in JSON decoder. Here is an example taken from the module's documentation. So there is no use of having to use some separate module for decoding JSON.